people don't know how to do investment. Investing involves allocating funds with the aim of generating returns over time. Here are some steps to get started. Number one, set clear goals. Define your investment goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or growing wealth. Number two, educate yourself. Learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Understand their risk and potential returns. Number three, assess risk tolerance. Determine how comfortable you are with risk. Investment with higher potential returns often come with higher risk. Number four, create a budget. Before investing, have a clear understanding of your financial situation. Set aside money specifically for investing. Number five, diversify. Spread your investment across different asset classes to reduce risk. Don't put all your money into one type of investment. Number six, start small. Begin with a manageable amount you can afford to invest without affecting your daily needs. Choose a brokerage account. Open an account with a brokerage firm that suits your needs. Online platform offers easy access to various investment options. Number 8. Research investments. Before making any investment, research the company, assessed or truly. Look at historical performance, management, and future prospects. Number 9. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and market trends to make informed decisions. Markets can change rapidly. Number 10. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investments performance. If needed, make adjustments based on changing circumstances or goals. Number 11. Long term perspective. Most investments benefit from a long term approach. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short term market fluctuations. Number 12. Seek professional advice. If you are unsure, consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make appropriate investment choices. So that all investment carries some of risk. There is no guarantee of returns. It's important to invest within your means according to your risk tolerance.